We want to find a polynomial of a given degree with given zeros, and this time we have complex zeros. So I'm told that I have a fourth degree polynomial, and that means I have to be able to find 4 linear factors in the complex number system. I'm told that I have real coefficients, and I'm told that I have 2 factors of x minus 1. Right? 1 is a 0 with multiplicity 2. And then I am told that negative 1 plus 2i is a 0. So that means x plus 1 minus 2i is a 0. Right? X minus c. This is c. And here's the rule we need to know. If I have real coefficients and a plus bi is a 0, or also called a root, then a minus bi is a 0 also. So this, I know that my other 0 is negative 1 minus 2i. Plus 1 plus 2i, yeah. Okay, I'm going to multiply these two together, and I'm going to expand this out. So this one is easy. That's x squared minus 2x plus 1. This one is going to be x squared plus 2x, and then plus 1 plus 4. But if I can't remember that, I have to do it this way. Well, I can distribute, or I can do it this way. So I have x plus 1 minus 2i and x plus 1 plus 2i. And this is x squared. This is plus x. This is minus 2xi, or 2ix, it doesn't matter. Plus x plus 1 minus 2i plus 2xi plus 2i, and then minus 4i squared is plus 4. Okay, this is x squared plus 2x plus 2xi minus 2xi plus 2i minus 2i, and then plus 1 and plus 4. Right? And here's where the box really becomes our friend. When we have to finish this multiplication process, we need to be able to multiply this times this. And if I have to distribute that and do a 3-way distribution, I am always going to make mistakes unless I put it here in the box. It does not matter which you put on top and which you put on the side, because multiplication is commutative. I bet you thought you just learned all that stuff so that they could torture you in math class. Okay, this is x to the 4th. This is negative 2, x cubed. This is plus x squared. This is plus 2, x cubed. This is minus 4, x squared. This is plus 2x. This is plus 5, x squared. This is minus 10x. This is plus 5. Now, look at how my terms align here. I have x to the 4th, and my x cubes cancel out. And then I have 5x squared minus 4x squared is x squared, plus x squared is 2x squared. Right? And 2x minus 10x is negative 8x. And then plus 5. And that is my final answer. Now, one quick and dirty way to check your multiplication after you're done is that if I have x, what did I have? X minus 1 x minus 1, x plus 1 minus 2i, and x plus 1 plus 2i. If I add all these c's together, I should get my second coefficient, which in this case is 0. The coefficient of x cubed is 0, but the sum of the roots, or actually the negative sum of the roots, is the second coefficient. So negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2, plus 1 minus 2i is negative 1 minus 2i, plus 1 plus 2i is 0. And if I multiply these together, I already know if I multiply those together, I get 5, because I did that right here. And multiply that by negative 1, negative 5 times positive 1 is positive 5. And that's what I have right here. So this is the product of the negative roots, and this is the sum of the negative roots.